In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a profile check in a validation rule in Salesforce. Understanding how to use validation rules effectively is essential to maintaining data quality and ensuring your Salesforce environment works seamlessly for your organization. To get started, I'll guide you through creating a rule that restricts certain profile types from making specific changes using the profile check functionality. Let's begin by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Once you've clicked the gear icon, you'll want to select Setup. This section acts as your gateway to the more technical settings of Salesforce and is crucial for where we can begin to customize our rules. Next, cast your attention to the Quick Find box. Type Object Manager into this search box. This function is incredibly useful for quickly navigating to different settings and tools within Salesforce, greatly saving you both time and effort. Once you're in the Object Manager, it's time to select the specific object to which you want to apply the validation rule. For the sake of demonstration, you might choose an object like Case or any custom object relevant to your setup. On the object's left sidebar, you'll find a variety of options. Here, you should click on Validation Rules. This is the area where we define the criteria under which Salesforce will validate data entries or changes. Now, let's create a new rule by clicking on the New button. This new rule will be specifically tailored to restrict profile-based actions. It's important to be mindful when naming your rule, ensuring that it's clear and easily understandable for future reference. An example name might be Restrict Status Change to clearly reflect its purpose. It's always a good practice to adopt descriptive names for your rules so that anyone revisiting them later can easily comprehend their function. For this validation formula, we will be utilizing the profile variable. This variable helps us determine the current user's profile and apply restrictions based on that information. We're going to write a formula that blocks users with the system administrator profile from updating a particular field. The formula you'll use is profile.name equal system administrator and an isChanged field to restrict is. This formula performs a dual check. It verifies if the user is a system administrator and confirms whether there's been a change to a specific field during an edit process. Essentially, this formula combines these conditions to enforce them only when both are true. The next step involves defining the error message that will appear if the rule is triggered. A straightforward message could be, only system administrators can change the status field. Finally, choose the location for this error message. You can opt to display it on the specific field where the error occurred or place it at the top of the page for better visibility. With everything in place, the final step is to click Save to make your new validation rule active. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a profile-based validation rule in Salesforce. This rule will help maintain data integrity by ensuring only designated profiles can make certain changes. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Salesforce environment more effectively.